Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video to watch code J Rock Rise official music video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you guys can check out the channel yourself and support it. Dude, it's been so long since I last reacted to a music video. I'm not gonna lie, couple months. Well,
no, we never go fall. No, we never go fall. We say we have to rise, stand tall. No, we never go fall. No, we never go fall.
Can I sound like one of those motivational songs? Sometimes, in like, especially in these times, we need a song like these, bro. Like, I gotta lie. Can I give me a motivational vibes?
See the road that me I walk on, full of be a caution. I feel express my feelings, cause we not there so for talk long. While my present on this earth, give thanks cause we never get a bastion. I feel respect my G's them, from the first song to the last one. Some of them girl are too fake, them just hurt you like too thin. They're on the journey to success as this.
Dude, I like the visuals in this, man. It give me, I don't know, it have a dark tone. It look dark. It give me like a movie type vibes. So for some weird reason, it give me like this movie type vibes. I'm guessing that's what the director was going with, like a cinematic type of vibes.
Lose faith, then nutrients, me rather lose weight. Free my mind up on the hillside, drink some jelly water, taking the cool shit. Nothing in a life come easy, easy, believe me. Nothing in a life comes free. Nothing in a life come easy.
It's true, bro. Nothing in life come easy. You have to work hard for it, isn't it? Real men.
Nothing in a life come easy, easy, believe me. Nothing in a life comes free. Nothing in a life comes
easy, easy. Yo, I already know the song already, bro. Dude, I like the concept of the video, man. Like, it just in some ruins. I don't know where the hell this is. Like some ruins area. And look at it. Everybody's in black. What the hell? Everybody's in black, like a matching set.
I was down in the dark, I gave you the light and you failed it on me. Tears fall from my eyes. Well, at least I tried. Cool as the wind blows, I died as a hero. Believed in me, that's why I stayed at the mirror. I pulled my heart out to save my people. We should be together and slay the evil. They're all my people.
Rise, rise, and fall.
No, we never go
fall.
No, we
Never fall.
rise.
And dude, this is a good song, man. I'm not gonna lie. Especially, I love the video, man. I'm not gonna lie. The video looks freaking good. So good. Come easy, easy, easy. Nothing in life come easy. Come easy, easy, easy.
Nothing in our life comes free.
Nothing in life come easy, easy. Dude, you know what? This song can give you like a motivational thing. Like, if you say you want to go to school and try to get a job, just listen to this song and it actually would push you because nothing in life come easy. Everybody say, dude, I want to get through the school. Nothing in life come easy because I try to go to school and try to get a job here no matter what. Listen to that song, yeah. You probably get a little motivation. Who knows? I'm listening to it and I'm just getting the vibes off it, you know? Motivational type of vibes. Alright guys, so that was J Rock Rise. As I said, I'm gonna leave the link to the original channel so you guys can probably give them support. And yeah, peace out.